Hi there, my name's Jake, and I'm the Pharmacy Technician Supervisor here at Lock Haven Veterinary Hospital. Today, I'm joined by Dr. McIntosh, and I have just a few questions about dog wellness that we're going to go through. First, Dr. McIntosh, what is involved in a dog wellness exam?
Jake, a dog wellness exam is basically a physical exam. We go nose to toes on the dog. We look at ears, we look at eyes, we look at mouths, we look at the coat, we look at the skin. We're looking for what normal looks like, and we're looking for what could be abnormal. There's a lot of things on your dog that may look normal to you, or you may not be looking at because you're petting your dog, you're playing your dog, you're walking your dog, but you're not doing a full physical exam. That's what we're here for. So a wellness exam will look at all of those things, find anything that's out of the ordinary, and take care of it.
How soon should I bring my pet in to see a veterinarian for a wellness exam?
So wellness exams usually on younger pets. So puppies should come in more often because they're growing and we want to make sure they're going in the right direction. Adult dogs, so basically over the age of 1 and somewhere between the age of 1 and 5, they're considered adults. We want to see those guys at least once a year. Remember, a dog year is like 10 people years. So if you went to your doctor every 10 years, you'd probably get yelled at every so often. And then our older dogs, our geriatric dogs, again, they age a heck of a lot quicker than we do. So we try to want to see those guys every 6 months. And if you've got something wrong with you, we see you more often.
Will additional testing be needed beyond a wellness exam?
Yeah, so the exam is just the start. We're looking on the outside. What is going on with your dog? What do they look like? What is normal? We can't see what's happening on the inside. So that's where blood work comes in. We're checking your liver, we're checking your kidneys, we're checking to make sure that everything else is nice and normal. Especially, it's just as important when those things are normal, because then if you do get sick or we do have a problem, we have something to compare to when you're not well. This is what you usually look like, and here is you when you're sick.
What are some dog wellness recommendations my vet is likely to make?
So big things are going to be things like diet. Are we feeding the right food? Are we going in the right direction weight-wise? Do we have a good body condition? We're looking at teeth. About 80% of dogs will have some dental disease by the age of 1. That's a lot of dogs. They're not brushing their teeth. So we are looking at that, making sure they don't need dental care, home care. We're looking at, do we need to be bathing this dog more often, less often? Do we need to be exercising this dog more often, less often? Things like that.
What are some possible environmental factors that can affect dog wellness?
So possible environmental factors, a lot of dogs are allergic to Florida. So allergies are a big one. You'll see skin and ear infections, things like that. If you have a dog that's mostly outside, that certainly impacts whether or not they are safer and whether or not they are getting all of the things they need. If you have a dog that is with other dogs or goes out and gets groomed or goes to dog parks or is around other dogs, they have more potential of getting sick. So we always want to make sure that we're checking on them.
Why is early detection of health issues in my dog so important?
Early detection of health issues is super important because if we catch it early, we can treat it early. If we treat it early, we can get a longer quality and time with that animal.
What is geriatric dog screening?
Geriatric dog screening is when we get older, we are aging faster. And when they age faster, we want to know what's going on. So again, we do more blood work, we see them more often, we want to make sure that they're not painful. With chronic conditions like arthritis, 9 times out of 10 we do find something, and then we're monitoring that illness or issue over a period of time. So we do tend to see those guys more often. Vaccines are a big deal with our younger dogs. With our older dogs, we have to make that decision on, do we vaccinate more, do we vaccinate less, because your immune system may not be as healthy.
Thank you, Dr. McIntosh.
Thanks, Jake. If you have any questions about your dog or you want to bring them in for their wellness checkup, you can give us a call here at Lock Haven Veterinary Hospital, and we'd be happy to see you.